Hey guys, back to the doghouse today. It's been a while since we've done a video or any work on the Fargo. So today we're going to try to get the truck started so I don't have to put gas down the carburetor every time I want to start it. Because here's what we're going through every time we want to go for a ride. That happens every time I want to take the truck out for a ride. If I let it sit for any more than say 3 days, then I got to put gas down the carburetor. So today Keith and I are going to put a fuel pump in, electric fuel pump, and that should solve our problem. Right, Keith?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay.
We'll give it a shot.
Alrighty, we got her up there. So here's what I was thinking. The frame, fuel filter. Here's my mechanical pump. So what I was going to do is put it right here where I got the joint anyway. Just take this here off, put the pump in, and that should work good. Okay, we got it separated. Now if we had a fuel pump, we'd probably put it in here. Okay, it came with these little fittings here that just screw in the end. Fittings here. Or just here to screw in the ends, and then hook that in there, and away we go.
No.
Looks like it'll work. Here, to be continued. Okay, we've got the fuel pump hooked up here, got the lines on, and we've got the wire run up here, going up through the firewall. Got it all hooked into that bunch of spaghetti there. And I picked up this little switch. It's the only switch I could find that was what I call a momentary switch, where you push it's on, and when you let off it's off. Because I just want to have the pump going while I'm priming the carburetor. So we'll get this here hooked up and see what it does. So I'm going to hook that right up under the dash here. Got the one wire here running from my fuse box. Got the other wire here that's coming from the fuel pump through the dash. So I'm just going to stick it under the dash and push it to go on and let it go to go off. Well, we'll hook it up and see what happens. Well, we got it all hooked up, but I don't know how noisy it is, so I tried pushing the button when I was in the cab, but I couldn't hear anything, so I don't know if maybe it's not working or it's really quiet. So anyway, I'm going to go inside and push a button, see what happens. Well, I think I heard something moving. Anyway, we'll see if it starts up. Should be lots of gas in the carburetor now. Yeah. Anyway, we'll crank her over, see what it's like. There, that is a whole lot better. That's not a cold start, but it's you just start without putting gas down the carburetor. So anyway, I'm happy. Mission accomplished. Anyway, thanks for hanging around, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye now. Okay, we got it all wired up, got it mounted under the dash. Should be good to go. It's too bad I had to wire it up again though. Keith had this all wired up yesterday and going, but it was on and off, on and off. Turned out the switch we had was defective. So we had to kind of jiggle it to get it going. So I ripped that out, got this this one here today. So all that work that Keith did, all for naught. But anyway, thanks Keith. We got her going anyway. That's the main thing.